After the state government's decision to hold final semester undergraduate and postgraduate examinations, students from all around the state and from outside as well have raised health-related questions owing to the rapidly spreading coronavirus. In recent announcements, it was stated that the final year examinations which were going to be held in June are now being postponed to July. However, the students demand complete cancellation of exams since there seems to be no betterment in the situation with a daily increase in cases all around state and outside the state as well.
मैं वेस्ट बंगाल की रहने वाली हूँ। मैं रमा देवी कॉलेज में अनन्या हॉस्टल में रहती हूँ।
I am from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand.
I am a final year student of Revansha University. I live in Delhi.
I am a +3 final year student of Revansha University, Cuttack, Odisha. But I am resident of West Bengal, Kharagpur.
मैं अभी ट्रैवलिंग बिल्कुल अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि पहली बात मेरा एरिया जो है मिदनापुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट पहले से ही रेड जोन है, कंटेनमेंट एरिया है इनफैक्ट।
The cases here have gone up from 5 to 102 in the past few weeks. In this situation, my parents are really concerned that if I go to some other state to give my exams, then there are chances that I might also get infected from the virus.
The cases are increasing rapidly every single day. Some of my acquaintances are also infected. Although we are allowed to go outside, it is really not safe.
In addition to taking to social media and garnering signatures via online petitions to highlight their concerns, on Monday, students from various universities and colleges staged a demonstration in front of the respective campuses waiting to be heard.
How can I put my life in risk and stay with those people whom I don't know where they used to live and hostel staff को कोरोना है कि नहीं? How can I know?
I have given 5 complete semesters. I am not at all afraid of exams. Neither I am telling that I don't want to give this final exam just because I have given so many other exams. The fact is, this is a pandemic.
एग्जाम देने के बाद भी आई हैव टू क्वारंटाइन माई सेल्फ फॉर 14 डेज क्योंकि मैं अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स के साथ नहीं रह सकती बिकॉज आई हैव बीन थ्रू अ डिफरेंट स्टेट.
We have always been taught to give importance to life first and then to the other aspects.
Students of various colleges and universities of Odisha have also submitted a memorandum to their respective vice chancellors.
बहुत सारी दिक्कतें हैं जो मुझे फेस करने पड़ेंगे. मुझे क्या इनफैक्ट सब बच्चे जो बाहर से आ रहे हैं उनको फेस करना पड़ेगा.
Traveling hundreds of kilometers while risking my life and other people's, I don't think it would be a wise decision.
Traveling in a public transport, going to another state, staying in hostels, and since I live in a private hostel, they have said that they won't allow us. So most probably I will have to live in a hotel or make some other arrangements. So there is going to be a lot of harassment.
So I request to Odisha government to change their decision because दूसरे states ने भी cancel किया है एग्जाम. बच्चों के बारे में सोचा है. They can make some other alternatives for this.
There are other ways and substitutes which the government can follow.
So I'd urge the Odisha government to look for alternate methods of grading us. They could take an average of our last 5 semesters and internal exams from this semester, or we could be given projects and assignments and then be graded based on them. Anything that keeps us safe and doesn't jeopardize our future.
Ashoka Kumar Das, Vice Chancellor of the Odisha State Higher Education Council, has stated that for the government, the career and the lives of the children are most important, and he has also stated that all possibilities will be taken into consideration and that children need not worry. However, a concrete decision is yet to be made. All we know for now is that the students are doing everything in their power to amplify their voices and to make their concerns be heard. What will be the next step of the government? Only time will tell. For more such updates, stay tuned to Odisha Post Live.